Okay, students, as promised, I'm going to make a video of Unit 6 Day 1 notes. So it's Unit 6 Day 1 notes. So you go into the Unit 6 folder, go to Day 1, and here's the notes on solving by graphing. So let's open it up in Kami, and we'll get started on these notes. Hopefully this video won't be too long. If you need something repeated, just rewind it and go back. If I'm going too fast, just pause it so you can catch up. So you have three types of solutions. Your solution here is one solution. One solution. Solution. And the solution is where they intercept. There's only one place, and that's your solution. This one has no solutions. No solutions. And that's because they never intersect. And then this is actually two lines on here. That's why it looks bold. And that's called infinite. Infinite. And it's because the two lines are the exact same. So they always intersect. Okay, so you have infinite solutions. Now, there's a way that you can check your solutions, and that's by substituting the numbers in. So, like, let's say you're taking the test and you have multiple choice. You could find out which one it is by just substituting in. I'll show you what I mean. Let's see if 8-1 is the solution for these two equations. So I substitute 8 in here and 1 in here. 8 plus 1 is 9. Does 9 equal 9? Yes, that one checks out. Well, let's substitute 8 in here. 2 times 8 minus 5, and we're going to put the 1 in here. 1 equals 11. Does 16 minus 5 equal 11? Well, yes, that's 11 equals 11. That checks out. So this is a solution. This works. Let's see if these work. So I start with, I put the 0, say I put the 0 where the y is, and I put this where the x is. So then I end up with 0 equals 2 minus 2. 0 equals 0. Yeah, that works. That works for the first problem. Let's try it in the second problem. 0 equals negative 3 times 2 plus 4. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 plus 4. 0 equals negative 6 plus 4. 0 equals negative 2. No, that does not work. So this is not the solution for these two equations. Okay, so that's a way to check it by just substituting in. Another way that you can check it is just look at the table. So again, if I substitute 1 in for x, 1 minus 3 is negative 2. 2 minus 3, negative 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. All I did was I took this equation, okay, and which is this equation right here, and I substituted the x in. Now I'm going to substitute the same x's into this one, okay? So negative, or 1 times negative 2 is going to be negative 2 plus 9. That'll be 7. 2 times negative 2 is going to be negative 4 plus 9, and that would be 5. 3 times negative 2 is going to be negative 6 plus 9, and that would be 3. 4 times negative 2 is 8, and that would be 8 plus a negative 8 plus 9, and that would equal 1. I don't have to go any further because I see my solution. 4, 1, 4, 1. 4, 1 works for both of them. So my solution is 4, 1. Okay? Let's move down to solving by graphing. Now again, to be able to solve by graphing, you must have it in y equals 3x minus 4 form. You must have it in slope, intercept form. That's what we call the y equals mx plus b. Then you graph it. You start on the y-intercept. So we're going to start on point 4. And then we graph the slope, rise over run. Let me see. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger because I have bad eyes, right? Okay. And then let me throw my picture up over here. Okay. So we go, that's where we start. And we go 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. You really only have to do like 2 or 3 points. It's a positive slope. And so this all kind of like checks out. So let me make my line. There it is. I know it's not a perfect line. Now let's graph this one. We're going to start on 3 because that's the y-intercept. This is the y. So we start on 3, and then we're going to go a negative 1/2. So we can go down 1 over 2. Oh, look, that's where they intercept. Down 1 over 2. So we already have our interception. Right here is our answer. 2, 2. That would be our answer. I can do the same thing for this one, but I need to solve for y first. Remember solving for y, minus ax, and then we're going to divide by b. So negative 3y equals negative 2x plus 12, divide by b. Divide by b, divide by b. So y equals 2 negatives, that becomes positive, minus 4. Let's solve this one over here too. 3y equals negative 4x plus 6. All I did was subtract it on this side, subtract it on this side. Then divide. Y equals negative 4/3 plus 2. Okay? So now I can plug it in. I can start on negative 4 and go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All I'm doing is the rise over run. 2 up, 3 over. So I have this. And now let's do the other one. Starting on 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Look, I already have my interception. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And go on down. There we go. There's my point. So it's 3, negative 2. 3, negative 2. Okay? Now, you can put all of these. When you have it in y equals mx plus b form, slope-intercept form. Oh, I just put 4. Let me put form. You can just go to Desmos and put these in Desmos and then look where they intercept. That's another way that you can do it. Okay? Or you can graph it. Okay, let's talk about writing. So we're talking about a game, and you have easy puzzles and you have hard puzzles. You get 30 points for the easy puzzle, 60 for the hard. Tina solved 50 puzzles in all, and she earned 1950 points in all. Okay, well, we have 2 systems here. So we can say X equals the easy puzzles. Now, some people might say E equals the easy puzzles. The reason why I'm saying X is because I'm going to put this one in Desmos. I'm going to show you how I can put this in Desmos. So I need to call it X and Y. Okay? You can call it E and H, but then you won't be able to put it in Desmos. So that's up to you. Okay? So, and this is going to be my hard puzzles. So 30 goes with easy. See? 30 goes with easy. So 30 goes with the x plus 60 goes with hard. 60 goes with y. Those were the points. And so put points with points. Total points was 1950. Now total puzzles done is x plus y equals 50. Now let's put these both in slope-intercept form. This one's easy. It's just going to be y equals negative x plus 50. And if you struggle with putting in slope-intercept form, there is a IXL that you can do that will really help you practice on it. I'm going to put that in the resources and really push you guys doing it. I don't remember the letter of the IXL. I have to look it up. But there's an IXL that you guys can start doing that will help you practice putting it in slope-intercept form. Let's put this one in slope-intercept form. So we end up with 60y equals negative 30x plus 1950. Divide by 60, divide by 60, divide by 60. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3250. I've just done this so many times, so I know the answer there. Okay, I have them both in slope-intercept form. So now what I want to do is I want to put these in Desmos. So I'm going to, because I want to show this to you, I'm going to open up Desmos, and I'm going to do the, let me just open up Desmos. Here we go. And let me copy these over really fast. So y equals negative x plus 50. I'll show it to you in a minute here. I just have it on my other screen. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3250. Okay, let me put it over here now. There we go. So I put both of them in. Y equals negative x plus 50. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3250. Now I come down. There's where they intercept. So the point they intercept is 3515. Let's go write that down. 3515 is where they intercept. We want to know how many hard puzzles did Tina solve? Well, hard is the y. So that's our answer. It's how many hard puzzles. Okay? One more problem. Here we go. First thing we need to do is solve for y. So we have negative 2y equals negative 5x plus 10. Divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. Y equals 5/2 x plus, nope, that's going to be a minus. Oops, got to move my picture again. Erase. There we go. Minus 5. So I can graph this one. Starting on negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And I can go ahead and draw that line. Okay? Now let's do this one. Y equals negative x plus 2. Well, there's a pretend 1 in front of there, right? So that's going to be 1 over 1. So I start on 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I already have my interception. It is 2, 0. Okay? So I hope these notes help. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.